Hello, guys, welcome back to mathematics. Today we are going to solve the question 8 of the progression test style questions of stage 6. This one is about the equivalence between mixed numbers and improper fractions. So we are given a mixed number and we are asked what is the equivalent improper fraction, and we just need to circle it. So remember, this is called a mixed number because it has a part that is a whole number and another part that is a fraction, and that is equivalent to one of these fractions. The fastest method to do this is just taking the mixed number and doing the following operation. We multiply 4 times 3, and the result we add with 2, and that is going to be the number that is going to be at the top, the numerator. 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 plus 2 is 14. And then the denominator, remember, is always going to be the same. So 14 over 3. This is going to be the right answer. And that's how you are going to get the mark. Also, for you to review, remember these look like this. You have 4 whole units, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a portion of the fifth one. They are all divided in 3 parts. And you are taking 14 of them. So you take 3, 6, 9, 12, and 2 more, 14. That's why this is 4 wholes and 2 thirds, or 14 thirds. Okay, guys, I hope this was useful. Don't forget to subscribe, book your own lessons with me if you want, and let me any question about this one or any other topic. Bye bye, guys. See you next time.